Before the gunshots, there was silence. And in that silence, Adwa decided to speak. They didn't wake up to conquer a world, they woke up to protect a home. Hands used to plows, held rifles that day, not to rule, just to remain. No single rhythm, no single face, but one decision shared in place. If the land falls, the name falls too, so they stood like the hills knew what to do. They came with orders written overseas, we came with memory in our knees. Every step knew where it stood, every breath said this is ours. Adwa spoke when the world stayed quiet, said we are here, no need to riot. Not a throne, not a crown to keep, just a promise buried deep. Adwa spoke when the word goes dead, in the ground, in the names, in the way. We stand tall when history leans. Adwa spoke and we listen. Boucher moved when the sky caught fire, didn't argue fate, didn't wait, didn't tire. Cannons roared but his feet stayed firm like the ground itself said stand and learn. Happy watched when the lines went thin, held the shape so the rest could win. No loud speeches, no dramatic pose, just calm hands where the pressure grows. That's how nations really survive, not by shouting but staying alive. When chaos tries to take the lead, someone must slow the speed. Adwa spoke when the world stayed quiet, said we are here, no need to riot. Not a throne, not a crown to keep, just a promise buried deep. Adwa spoke and the echoes stay, in the ground, in the names, in the way. We stand tall when history leads. Adwa spoke and we listen. Others rode in at the perfect time, some held ground like a stubborn line. Some ran past no map could show, turn hills into you cannot go. Names got lost in the dust in years, but their choice still stands right here. Cause Adwa wasn't one brave man, it was many saying we still stand. They still struggle to explain the day, cause it breaks how they wrote the play. Africa wasn't meant to win that way, but truth don't care what books you say. Adwa spoke and the lie fell apart, showed the strength of a steady heart. Not a myth, not a distant dream, Adwa lives in everything. Adwa spoke and the sound still grows, in the way we walk and what we know. When the future asks where we begin, we say Adwa and we mean it. Some battles end in silence, this one became a voice.